Happy Friday, Bobcats. Welcome to another edition of Morning Pause.
Please stand and join us in the Pledge of Allegiance. Attention, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please join us in saying the 3 R's.
Respect. I will show respect for myself and others. Responsibility. I will be responsible for my actions. Right thing. I will do the right thing. Please join us in the moment of silence. You may be seated.
Today's lunch will be a cheese pizza, chicken noodle with whole grain roll, fresh baby carrots, corn, fresh Roman salad, and applesauce. Breakfast Monday will be chicken biscuit.
Today, Brian Alcorn Montoya, Cameron Daugherty, Kendrell Langham, Zanaya Shepherd Richardson are having their birthday. And this weekend is Riley Hummels' birthday. A happy birthday shout out goes to all of you.
Here's today's joke. What do you call a baby bear with no teeth?
What?
A gummy bear. What a great show of spirit. Check out all the different jerseys. My favorite team is the Steelers.
Mine is the Panthers. Who do you think will win the Super Bowl this weekend? The Seattle Seahawks or the New England Patriots? Today in 1862, the USS Monitor, the U.S. Navy's first ironclad warship, launched.
Here's Miss Rutledge with some more book winners.
Good morning, Bobcats. Here we go. We've got Miss Welch Walker's class, Gilmore Trujillo. We have Miss Gamble's class, Stacy Chuvas. I have Miss Coble's class, Serenity Schuler. I have Miss Coble's class, Aaron. Miss Coble's class is Diane Jackson, and then Aaron, you are Miss Stepp's class, Aaron Bruno. And then I've got Miss Griffin's class, Peyton Strage. I've got Miss Craven's class, Cheyenne Stretchen. From Miss Gamble's class, I have Aaliyah Edwards. From Miss Gamble's class, I've got Losie Hills. And from Miss Craven's class, I got Sydney Orcho. Come down and see Miss Honeycutt for your books. Good morning, Bobcats. Here we go. We've got... Talk. Say about time. Go. Say, one moment, technical difficulty.
One moment, we're having technical difficulties. Sorry. Right there.
Go.
What great book have you read? Teachers, please do your attendance. Teachers, remember to use a computer time to be on time for specials, lunch, and recess.
Have a fun, enjoying, pleasurable Friday outside.
And a relaxing book reading weekend. I'm Jenna.